Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh from Booth Camp and VoiceOver Extra. Today's topic, mobile is everywhere your brand should be. According to mobileiseverywhere.com, Google started working on mobile-first indexing a few years ago. As of today, many sites are mobile responsive, but not mobile-first ready. That difference will impact your ranking and indexing with Google's algorithms in 2021. When your website is mobile first, it will automatically be recognized by Google's spot crawling system when it checks out your mobile first site, making your site Google happy. When your website is built with mobile first technology, you will become easier and faster to find as Google gives highest priority to mobile first sites. Traditional desktop-first sites are left in the dust, while mobile-first websites receive the red carpet treatment in search engine rankings. Mobileiseverywhere.com provides mobile-first tools, templates, tutorials, and hosting that gives you mobile-first site indexing. Most core existing websites can easily convert to this ahead-of-the-curve platform. Visit mobileiseverywhere.com to see how easy it is to build your own mobile-first website. Use my discount link to save. If you choose, one of their designers can build your site for you. I built my own mobile-first website with these tools. joelesh.com is mobile-first and ready to go. If you're not building your own site, ask your webmaster if your site is ready for Google's new specifications. Don't be left in the dust in 2021. Mobile is everywhere your brand should be, or mobile is everywhere your voice should be. This is Joe Lesh from Booth Camp Online. There's a subscribe button on my YouTube channel. It should be right about there. Be sure to click it. And join me for Mojo Friday, the first and third Friday of each month here at VoiceOver Extra for voiceover tips from Booth Camp. It's time to get your mojo working.